Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a common problem that PostgreSQL users often face. The problem revolves around the usage of indexes for VARCHAR and text data types. Some colleagues claim that PostgreSQL uses a simple index slightly less efficiently than a text-converted one. The question arises, why does PostgreSQL always convert to text during analysis? We'll unravel this mystery together. Now, let's delve into the solution. It turns out that casting between text and character varying in PostgreSQL is basically in no operation. This is because these data types are essentially the same, with the only difference being the length check and character varying. By examining the PG_cast table, we can see that the cast method for these types is B, indicating that they are binary coercible and no actual conversion is needed. Therefore, any casting between these data types is purely for adherence to the strict type system and does not add any overhead. This means that it doesn't matter whether you use a simple varchar index or a text-converted index. PostgreSQL treats them equally. In conclusion, we've uncovered the intricacies of PostgreSQL indexes for varchar and text data types. The conversion between these types is merely a formality to satisfy the type system, with no actual impact on performance. So, next time you're working with indexes in PostgreSQL, rest assured that both simple and text-converted indexes are equally efficient. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just make our day.